Hey guys, and welcome back to techguilt. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing Apple's second generation Apple Pencil. Now, this is the one with the magnetic Apple Pencil connector. So if you're interested in this video, guys, stay tuned and we'll be right back. Roll the intro. So guys, and welcome back. As I said, we're going to be unboxing Apple's second generation Apple Pencil. This is the one with the magnetic connector. It is a matte finish, and it does have the pressure and tilt sensor built into this model. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm going to start by unwrapping the wrapper here. As you can see, it's pretty premium wrapping here. So immediately you'll be able to tell any fake from a real one. There are a couple fake ones out there that's rolling around. And this one indeed is not one of the fake ones. As you can see, the wrapping is really premium. It's not like one of those other ones online that's kind of bulky and janky. I'm sure you guys have seen some of those. So I'm just going to go ahead and delve right in. Wow, that sounds really cool, guys. Apple always does a fantastic job with packaging their product. I mean, let's just listen to that. I don't know about you guys, but that sounds really amazing to me. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the pencil now. It does have a little lever here on the side. Just going to go ahead and pull that out. And I always did like their design and branding. Designed by Apple in California. And there's the pencil itself. So we're just going to go ahead and jump into the paperwork and see what Apple's actually included inside the package here. And that appears to be it. So again, here we have some of the standard paperwork, just materials that most of us won't actually be reading. We're just going to go ahead and delve right in. And this actually tells us how to connect the pencil. As you can see, when it snaps onto the iPad, it just goes ahead and charges up automatically. And it does have the tap to change mode. So when you double tap the side of the pencil, you can change modes. And you can see, as you can see here, you can easily replace some of the tips, which is pretty cool as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put these to the side. And here we have it, guys. This is the pencil. First impressions, I can say it literally feels like a pencil. It has just about the same feeling of a pencil, which I'm really stoked about. The tip, I'm gonna go ahead and slide this out. The tip, I'm not sure how to describe it. It doesn't feel like, it's not rubbery, nor is it grippy. It's really matte. It feels just like the pencil, which is really cool. If you can hear that, that's what it sounds like. And as you can see, it is flat here on the side. So when it just docks and connects to the iPad, it lays flush, which is always a really cool thing. And there it is, guys. This is the Apple Pencil unboxing video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I'm going to be including a link in the video description down below where you can purchase one of these Apple Pencils. So guys, that is it for the video. We hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Peace, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me.